This is the perfect 10-day Bali itinerary. Start your trip in Ubud and explore the beautiful rice terraces, river rafting, or go to the Leke and Kanto Lampo waterfall. Sunset has to be at Kampan Ridge Walk. Second day is for East Bali. Start early, walk through Tirtha Ganga Temple and the Water Palace. Next up, you go to Virgin Beach with beautiful white sands and end the day at the magical Chipung waterfall. Next day, you reserve your energy for a sunrise volcano trek to Mount Batur and then go to the famous Bali swing. Waterfall hopping on day 4. Stay in North Bali in Lovina, visit Ulundanu Temple, Alingaling Waterfalls, Tukat Chempuk and Banyumana Waterfalls. 5th day, we relax in Cedarman amidst lush rice fields and visit the Infinity Waterfall and the beautiful Vesak Temple. Now to my favorite part, Uluwatu. The best beaches are here: Padang, Thomas Beach, Suluban Beach and Dreamland. Next day, we take a ferry to Nusa Penida. One day in West Penida, Angels Billabong, Clinking Beach, snorkeling at Crystal Bay, and then East Penida, Atul Beach, Diamond Beach and Treehouse Viewpoint. Finally, we go back to Bali and spend time in Seminyak, go out partying, shopping, eating. Super convenient location close to the airport for when you have to say goodbye.